Hey folks, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a tutorial just to help others learn how to do deposits and withdrawals on exchange sites for cryptocurrency such as BYDFi, BYDFi. I highly recommend you go ahead and check them out. I'm going to have a link in the description below. It's an awesome website. It's just a great alternative to other competitors out there. To each his own. One thing I do like about them is they don't require you to do certain things other websites may require you to do. That's just a personal preference, something I'm going to throw out there. Also, they offer very extensive cryptocurrency selection, as many other alternatives out there, to be honest with you, do as well. But it's just a very user-friendly interface, both on the phone, especially on the phone, and on the computer. Not only that, they offer something pretty cool called a copy trading feature. It basically allows like novice traders, people that are starting off, to replicate the trades of successful traders on the platform. This can be a benefit just if you want to learn from experienced traders or those who prefer a hands-on approach to trading. Obviously, they also offer perpetual trades, leverage tokens, and so forth. Go ahead and check them out. I'm going to have a link in the description below. But in the meantime, let's get this started. Just with the basics on how to go ahead and do deposits and withdrawals. You're obviously going to need a kind of like a MetaMask wallet, a crypto exchange wallet, in order to go ahead and deposit funds. So if you don't have one already, you're going to have to go ahead and get a YouTube, go ahead and go on YouTube and put how to get a MetaMask wallet or a crypto wallet on your phone or on your computer, and then just follow those steps. It's very basic. I prefer MetaMask, so we're gonna go ahead and open up the MetaMask wallet if it's not already open. This is just like a sample wallet that we're using with a little bit of Matic, and we're gonna be using Polygon Matic as the form of deposit. Reason being is because it has very low gas fees. It's very energy efficient in comparison to other cryptocurrencies such as Ethereum. This is just my personal preference. You could use your own. Just make sure you follow the steps correctly when you're doing this, and just verify what you're doing so that you do not accidentally lose your funds. And make sure that also when you're creating your wallet, you save your key code somewhere safe so that you don't lose it and then lose all your cryptocurrency. So you're going to go ahead and hit right here, my assets, and then my assets. And right underneath it, it says deposit. So you're going to go ahead and hit deposit. This is just a sample wallet. So you're going to click on coin. Then when you go on coin, you're going to search for Matic if it doesn't pop up. And you're going to select the Polygon Matic network. And don't worry about the logo being blue. It's the same thing as the purple Polygon network. It's just they've gone through changes and had two logos within the time this cryptocurrency has been around, but don't worry about it. They're both the same. So select Matic for the Polygon network, and then you're gonna have to select that network for Matic, which is the Matic network. Same thing. You're gonna get an address right here. If you're on your phone, you can easily go on your MetaMask on your phone and take a photo of it and send it. But for now, we're gonna be using the computer form, and we're gonna go ahead and copy the address. So let's go ahead and copy it. And then now that you copied the address, you're going to go ahead and select your MetaMask wallet again. And you're going to make sure you're on the Polygon network and not like on the Ethereum or Binance network. You're going to make sure you're on the Polygon network. And if you don't already have it on there, you're just going to hit add network and then add the network. It's going to be just right here in the description when you search it. It's very self-explanatory. So let's do that for now. Let's close this out though. Let's go back here and select MetaMask. And then from MetaMask, you're going to go ahead and make sure you are on the Polygon network, which I am. And then you're going to go ahead and hit send right here. And we're going to just start off with something small. Don't start off with a big amount if you're a novice trader, your first time depositing or withdrawing. And you're going to select paste. And you're going to make sure that, it's the right address. 0xFB, 0x, the whole thing. Okay. Go back in here. Hit send. Let's do it again. And then you're going to select an amount. I'm just going to do it like $1.50. Just start off. Or, oops, yeah. Let's do like 2 Matic. Oops, 2matic. Okay, 142. So just 2matic to start off. And if you see, the estimated gas fees are 0.001, so not even a penny. So we're gonna select that, and we're gonna go ahead and just hit edit. Just out of curiosity, just to see the gas. Okay, we're good. And depending on the network you're using, I'm gonna start over, because depending on the network you're using, like say you're gonna be using, for instance, XRP. XRP requires a memo tag code, so make sure you're also including your memo tag code if it requires one. The good thing is the Polygon network doesn't require that, so you're not going to need that. So let's go back to this and then just confirm it. And we're sending it. See, it says send pending. So now you're going to just give it a little bit of time. And while it's sending, we can go back and just check out the site a little bit. This is a sample account that I opened up so I can share you folks how awesome this is. And it says transaction 30 confirmed, view on the Polyscan network. So you can go ahead and even open it up and check the transaction. And it says it's a success, that it was sent to this address 20 seconds ago from here to here for the 2matic. Awesome. Okay, so let's go see if it arrived or if it's going to arrive. It should take a minute. Let's go back to my assets. Give it a minute to arrive. But yeah, even here, if you go and check out their advanced trading platform in the meantime, and it's a very user-friendly, the whole application. Right now, this is Bitcoin, which is at $29,227, and it's about to start going up, I think, for the day, back up to 30, hopefully. Right now, with the SEC and the XRP case going on, and the SEC, or they're supposed to appeal the case, so that caused the market to go low a little bit, in my opinion. And let's see if it's in there. Still not in there. Give it a minute, folks. There's also the copy trading here, which is something you could even use when you put in the deposit. You can put in your deposit and become a master trader, or copy one of these traders. And you can see their percentages of success. This guy's doing awesome. Look, 613 master crypto, and you can literally go in here and check them out. That's pretty dope. Today, 7-day PNL, negative 0.15, because the market declined a little bit, but he has a 30-day return rate of fucking 618, pardon my language, 618%. So that's awesome. You can go ahead and copy this guy's account in the amount that you want to start copying, and then you just let him do the work for you. And that's pretty cool. 8% profit shares. This guy's pretty cool. 13 out of 500 followers. I'm gonna subscribe. In the meantime, let's go see if the money's back in the account. All right, I'm gonna pause it for a second until we're back on the account. All right, folks, we're back. So it only took like a couple minutes for the Polygon to show up. It's just that when I sent it with super low gas fees, and it was just a little amount, so it caused a delay in the network and it got a little stuck. But it went through. It took like a couple minutes, at the most 3 minutes. But as you can see now, it's in there, and we have the 2matic in our account, and you can even go into the details of it and check the address of the account. You can go into the Polygon, the hash network and all that, and search the transaction ID and so forth. And just so you know it's correct, you can go back into the MetaMask account, and you'll see that if you look at the activity, it shows that it was sent, and you can look at it on the View on Block Explorer, and you'll see that it came from my 747 address to this FFB address right here. and which is this address, as you folks recalled, that we used earlier in the Matic network right here. See, boom, ending in FFB, and then going back to FFB over here. And now if you want to go ahead and now do the same thing but in reverse of withdrawing your Polygon back into your MetaMask wallet, it's going to be the same thing just in reverse. So you would go back and you can go back into your MetaMask wallet and you can go ahead and copy the address for your Polygon network, or you could even go in here into, where is it? Oops, bear with me, folks. You can go into tokens, Matic, you click right here, and it says account details, and same thing. You're going to be able to see it and copy it as well, or get it right here from the front of the Matic. Make sure you're on, like, once again, in the Polygon network before you withdraw from BYDFi back into the MetaMask wallet or your personal wallet that you were previously using to send it back. But yeah, it's very self-explanatory. You would just copy the address. You would go back in here. As you can see, it's already in there. And you would just go here and hit withdraw. And again, follow the same steps that you were just doing. And making sure everything is back in the right network. And you're going to do the same thing again. The same thing again, just in reverse. And just follow the same steps in reverse. I hope you folks enjoyed this tutorial. Again, once again, I'm going to have a link in the description below. I'm going to have a coupon code as well, or not a coupon code, but a referral code. That way, when you folks sign up, maybe if you folks do sign up, you can use my referral link, and it may help me in the future as well. We can all help each other. So thanks again, folks, and have a great day. Bye-bye.